Finally, we are seeing what we've always dreamed of. More women are buying Japanese knives.
Yeah, baby!
Why is it such a big deal? First, let's bust a myth. Razor-sharp knives aren't more dangerous. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Dull knives can slip and slide, increasing the risk of accidents. Our razor-sharp blades, they glide through food like a hot knife through butter. Now you need to understand how the Japanese knife market works. It's been a boys' club for centuries. Blacksmiths, men. Japanese agents, men. And the only female presence, sometimes the wives of blacksmiths, handle customer service. That's how we got our green light.
Block all the exits. Give the asset a green light.
To work with some of the most exclusive and sought-after Japanese blacksmiths. As a female-founded business, me and my partner knew that there was a huge untapped market. Women. There were many people and other knife sellers who were telling us that we went crazy.
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
That women and knives don't go together. Japanese knives were seen as a boy's toy, but we are flipping this script and we are seeing more women treating themselves to these culinary game changers. And guess what? More husbands are buying knives for their wives and they are reaping the benefits of it too.